I got a Hello Kitty blind clip figure. Here's the options. I want all of them. Cool. Pom pom purrin', pom pom purrin'. I actually got pom pom purrin'. Fuck yeah! I got these tokidoki keychain. I really want all of them again. See which one we get. Oh, it's like a lot larger than I thought they were gonna get. They're only tiny. Let's see what the frick is in here. Yeah, I got all those mushrooms on it. Oh, I got the mushroom one. Oh, fuck yeah. Yay, mushroom fairy. Well, that was a shitty ass rip. Oh yeah, I got the one I wanted! Yay!